equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have the right tools: a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a brush for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 for safety. Remove the bowl and the blade assembly. Inspect the blade for any wear or damage. If you notice any issues, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, check the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the inside of the machine. Pay attention to the motor area. A clean machine runs better. If you find any debris, use a brush to clear it out. Now, let's focus on the clutch. Ensure it's functioning properly. If it feels loose or doesn't engage, it may need replacement. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. Before reassembling, double-check all screws. Tighten any that are loose. This ensures your Thermomix operates smoothly. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. Finally, reassemble the blade and bowl. Plug in your Thermomix and test it. A well-maintained machine will enhance your cooking experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.